In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix ERR connection reset error on Chrome browser. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type Internet Options. Click on Internet Options under the best match. Now here you have to click on the Connections tab. Click on LAN Settings button. Make sure automatically detect settings the button is checked. For the proxy server, make sure there is no proxy server enabled. Then click on OK, apply and then OK. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful videos and tutorials for you. Next method is go to the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl control panel item. Locate your network adapter or your connection. Then you need to make a right click, select properties. Then you have to locate the Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Now here you'll find the second option, use the following DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type 1.1.1.1. For the alternate DNS server, type 1.0.0.1, the cloud DNS. Then click on OK and close this. Next method is we can run some commands in the command prompt. So go to the Windows search bar, type cmd. Click on run as administrator. Then type ipconfig space / release, hit enter. Then ipconfig space / flushdns, hit enter. Then type ipconfig space / renew, hit enter. Then type netsh space winsock space reset, hit enter. Then type exit, hit enter. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.